Hi guys, now I will show you how to fill in the self-request quotation form. Let's go. Please go to the link https://tiny.cc/tm self-quotation to start request. The page will appear like this. Please read the information in the page. Fill in the basic information into the form number 1 until number 5. Email address is crucial. Please write the correct email address to receive a quotation immediately once you submit it. If you want recipient more than one, please put a semicolon between to email address. At form number 6, select the service you are required. At form number 7, put the total number of the quantity you want. The example you want to renew certificate CA1C equals 5, CA to C equals 5, so the total is 10 certificate. At form number 8, if you did not require any services, please select Not Applicable. At number 9, please put the number 0, then click the button to submit. Normally, within 15 minutes, you will receive the quotation. If you don't receive any quotation in your inbox, please check junk mail or spam. Accidentally, within 24 hours you still haven't received any quotation, please self-request again or please query via email to certifying.agency@tm.com.my. We will feedback accordingly. This is a sample email you will receive with an attachment quotation. Please follow the instructions as in per email. We are happy to serve you. Please contact certifying.agency@tm.com.my if you have any query. Thank you.